Today we're in Dana Natural Reserve. There is nothing more spectacular than this beautiful view. Look at this. Tell me where in the world can find like this view. It's just only in Europe. I am Mohammed and today I have my people from North Carolina, America. Hello! How are you?
Very good.
How is your tour to Jordan so far?
Excellent.
Would you like to say something about the tour in general?
It's been a great learning experience. I've learned a lot about the history, and I had no idea.
Yes.
Jordan is a beautiful country.
It is.
Country.
Yes. Since driving from the Kingsway, when we met in an airport, going to Mount Nebo. Yesterday was your Petra visit. Here, Dana, look at this. Visiting to Jordan and see the beautiful scenery in this country.
Absolutely.
Yes.
With a wonderful guide.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, tell me, how is the service with Petra Nights tours from the start? The vehicle, car, the driver, and the hotels, everything.
Excellent. Very good job.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I wanted to enjoy the rest of your tour, and we're on our way to Dead Sea. So you will also enjoy the Dead Sea, today. Thank you very much, and have a very pleasure staying in Jordan. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thanks.
Bye.